Using the gradebook in Canvas is simple. All you have to do is open up your course, and in the submenu, you'll go ahead and go down to where it says Grades. Once I'm here, I'm in the traditional gradebook. This is one that you've seen before, very similar to School Loop, and you'll notice some notations here. This yellow here means that it's been resubmitted since last graded. So when I grade an assignment, I put a 0 in if they have not turned it in. And this is true for most classes at the middle school. So if a kid has turned something in after the fact, it'll actually say resubmitted since last graded. So this is something that I still need to grade. If a student is absent or if I want to excuse them from the assignment, I can go ahead and type in EX, and that excuses them. It does not count that assignment against their grade. If you look at here, I have a whole bunch of little pieces of paper. These are assignments that I need to grade, so that means it's been turned in, but I have not graded it yet. And we're starting a new assignment tomorrow called Balloon Racers, and if you notice there is a dash there. These dashes do not count against the kids, so it does not factor into their grades until I actually put a 0 in there. But the kids can actually look at this assignment and see what's going to be going on. And then finally over here, if you see a red mark, that red mark basically means that they turned it in late, and you can choose whether or not you want to take points off of those grades. And then on the far right here, you'll actually see their overall grade in the course. If you want to give a specific comment to a student about a grade that they received, you'll notice there's this little black dot up in the corner, and that's true for all these. I can go ahead and click on that, and I can go over here and say the student was absent for this activity. And I can go ahead and click post comment, and that student will get that message that I just typed to them. And finally, if you want to look at the assignment real quickly, you can go ahead and just click a single click on that assignment, and it takes a sec for it to pick up, and you can actually go through and look at your assignment. At this point, if you need to change your points or you need to edit things, you can go ahead and do that. And then you can always click the back button to get back to your gradebook.